Hey everybody, we're here at FDIC International 2022. I'm Ed Ballum, Senior Editor of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I'm here with my friend Bill Dixon, who is Vice President of BAUER Compressors, Sales for Breathing Air. And Bill, thank you for being here this morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the BAUER stand. Good to see you again.
Very well. So I've known you for a long time, Bill, but tell me about BAUER. What sets you apart?
BAUER is the world's largest manufacturer of high-pressure breathing air equipment. We have over 75 years of high-pressure air and gas compressor experience. When you see the name BAUER, there truly is a Mr. BAUER. We are currently under the third generation of BAUER family members. BAUER, being the world's largest manufacturer of high-pressure air and gas compressors, we set ourselves apart by continually reinventing ourselves, bringing technology to the forefront. I'm an old guy in the industry.
Me too. So
being the old guy into the industry, we're used to lots of old technology. Well, chimes have changed, methods have changed. And at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is create products for the person at the end of the nozzle to reduce their risk, if you will. Things such as SCBA containment fill stations to totally contain the fragments of a ruptured SCBA. We have products that will electronically monitor the compressors remotely. So if we have, say, volunteer departments and they're unmanned, it gives the ability to the fire chief to monitor that compressor remotely. It's called BAUER CONNECT.
Yes, it's like an RFI kind of thing, or it's Bluetooth? Or?
It's not really either. It's a case where the compressor's control system is connected to the internet.
There we go.
So the guy can physically log into the compressor remotely, see what's going on with the compressor, maintenance, troubleshooting, diagnosing, things such as that nature. We have a new product called charge rate control, because we recognize a lot of these people in the industry don't know how to handle the gas, meaning the breathing air.
Right.
Charge rate control does that for them automatically. Take the guesswork out of it, if you will. NFPA has a standard called NFPA 1989 where the firefighter is supposed to be logging the SCBA fill.
You've got to record everything.
That's exactly right.
Yes.
Well, as you just indicated, writing.
You don't have to do that anymore. Ta-da.
Ta-da, it's called Rfid Pro. It's a case where the firefighter, when he's getting ready to fill the SCBA, he just scans it. And when he's finished at the end of the day, it's Wi-Fi enabled, cell phone enabled, uploads it to the cloud, complete access to everything.
And when you have hundreds or dozens of bottles, that saves a lot of work.
That's exactly right. Everything becomes seamless, if you will. In as much as our prowess outside of technology, we build to the customer's requirements. It's a case where, as I indicated, you're building to that requirement because everybody's requirements are different. You know, we're here in the city of Indianapolis. Their requirements
I'm up in northern New Hampshire. My department has different needs.
That's exactly right. The product behind us is a perfect example of one of those other technologies.
Why don't we talk about it?
That's perfect.
And here we are. We're looking at some of the technology here. We're looking at the Unicus 4i. So Bill, tell us a little bit about this.
This is a perfect product to talk about. As we discussed a few minutes ago, we're trying to reduce risk. We're also going after the next generation of firefighter, that firefighter who's more interested and able to work with a handheld device than gauges, valves, things such as that nature. So we introduced a product called Unicus 4i, and over the years we have turned it into a product that is even more user-friendly than the previous product. As an example, we have a 15-inch HMI.
That's
just
a nice
like
size.
the computer.
Perfect.
So when the firefighter comes in the morning, he logs into the screen. It's password protected, so every firefighter has his unique password credentials. That way, if you have people that walk up that are not trained on how to work on the piece of equipment, they can't
do it. They can't mess it up.
That's exactly right.
They can't break anything.
One of the other attributes of this product, there's no gauges, no valves whatsoever. That entire fill process is controlled within the HMI. In as much as further risk management, we integrate a 3-position SCBA containment fill station.
And the cylinders go right in there for blast protection.
That's exactly right. This fill station is designed to contain the fragments of a ruptured 5,500 PSI SCBA.
Yeah.
Additionally, talking about NFPA 1989 and data SCBA logging, you'll notice the antennas in each sleeve.
Oh yes, I see it. There's a blue wire inside
That's
there.
exactly right.
Yes.
So when the firefighter is loading the SCBA into the sleeve, when he closes the door, bang, it's automatically logging that.
Right.
They begin the fill process. That fill sequence is uploaded to the cloud. The firefighter is able to control the fill rate,
Right.
as well as fill pressure in each one of those SCBAs from the HMI.
Right here on the panel.
That's exactly right.
Right.
So it eliminates the potential of fast filling, overheating the SCBA, and overpressurization. Totally seamless,
Yes.
totally risk management.
Right. Well, there's nothing called firefighter proof, but you're pretty close to it.
Mitigating as much as we
Mitigating,
can.
exactly.
Yes.
That's mitigation is what we go for.
That's exactly right.
Yes.
That's exactly right. Now, some of the other RFID data logging technology.
And that's on the cylinder. There's some sort of chip on the cylinder.
That's correct.
Yes.
Every SCBA cylinder has an RFID tag.
Right.
If the SCBA does not have an OEM affixed tag, we can backfit the SCBA or even scuba cylinders with an RFID tag.
Perfect. Yes.
So it makes it
So if they have a dive team on their rescue crew.
That's exactly right.
Good.
That's exactly right.
Awesome.
And that's Unicus 4i.
Awesome.
A lot of the other attributes, like the data logging, the SCBA filling control, is available on some of our other CFS fill stations as well.
Now, I know the BAUER compressor I have back at my station has the old-fashioned valve style ones.
Yep.
How does this one work? I don't see anything here I have to turn.
Well, two things there. Number one, on the old style BAUER, we have what's called charge rate control, which can be backfit to those older style BAUER systems. So it totally eliminates the need to monitor those gauges and cylinder valves. It's done it seamlessly and electronically.
So once you make your fitting on the cylinder inside, you're pretty much
done.
Oh, yeah.
That's exactly right.
I like that.
To address your other question on this package, all of those controls, pressures are integrated within the software on the HMI. Totally seamless.
Good. Bill, this is phenomenal. The Unicus 4i is a great machine, so thank you so much for being here today. Where can people get some more information if they need it?
Ed, it's been a pleasure having you come visit us in the stand today. The best place to get information on 4i or any of the other products that we manufacture is our website, and that web address is BAUERFire.com.
Bill, thank you once again. Thanks for showing me all this new stuff with this product.
No worries. Glad to see you again.
Same here.
Take care.
Always. Bye-bye.